In this video, I show you how to create energy demand profiles for specific building types with nPro. We will go step by step through the calculation process of an exemplary hotel building. Hi and welcome to this nPro tutorial. I'm Marco, and in this video I show you how you can use nPro to create load profiles for heating, cooling and electricity with an hourly resolution. nPro is a great tool for creating building demand profiles because it only requires few input data and the simulation can be done with just a few clicks.
Alright, now I'm on the start page of the tool. On the left hand side I click on load profiles and heat network. Then I click on new project. We can enter a name for the project. I select here separate district heating and district cooling networks. We can select the location. I leave it for Berlin in Germany right now. And then we can first define a new building in the bottom section here. We can enter a building name. Let's say it's building number 1. A floor area, for example, 5,000 square meters. A building type. Here we want to choose the hotel building. And we can say, let's say it's a new build. And if we don't know what the demands are, the specific demands for a hotel building in Berlin, we can click on insert default values. And nPro looks up the values in its database and inserts it into this form here. So nPro estimates that it's around 85 kilowatt hour per square meter in year for space heating, 32 kilowatt hour per year and square meter for domestic hot water, and so on. For cooling we have values and for electricity as well. And now I click on calculate demand profiles. Then we see here the values for every month. Here it's now for electricity, for cooling and for heating. And now I can click on show hourly profiles. Then we see the profiles in detail. We can also zoom in. In gray we have the domestic hot water demand and in red the space heating demand. Now I click on add building to district and it takes us up here. So now we have one building in this district. And we can, if we want to, we can have another look at the KPIs of the building and also the demands. We can visualize them in different forms. We can download the results of this building as an Excel file. We can edit the building or delete the building. On the bottom we have the load at the energy hub, so that's consists of the different loads of all buildings. Right now we only have one building here. And if we want to, we can also download the results of the entire district as a Excel file or as separate CSV files for every building, for example, and then analyze the data.
If you have any questions or remarks about this video, feel free to leave a comment. If the video was helpful for you, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your interest and see you next time.